सो हेलो एवरीवन। आज डे 41। आई थिंक कल जितना मैंने एफर्ट डाला था आज मैं उतना उससे बहुत कम डाल रहा हूँ, बिकॉज आई हैव अ वेरी गुड रीज़न। आज 24 है और आज रात को आई विल नॉट बी एट होम एंड आई मीन आई कैन गो होम एंड रिकॉर्ड, बट लाइक मेरी सिस्टर रहती है तो आई डोंट I don't want to like shout and talk about things, so I'm just recording a quick video today. And yeah, the day is like as usual. I think it's 6 p.m. right now, and I'm just same thing again. And I think tomorrow's video was like one of the I was very shuddering. I uh, I s- I definitely said that I'm going to record the shot. I have like taken like 10 to 15 shots takes for the short video, but genuinely I was not able to deliver because I was fumbling a lot and I was not able to be clear about the message that I want to send. And yeah, but that there's also one saying that you don't get perfect over time. But for me, like talking about that thing and not delivering the best that I can is a concern. So I'm avoiding it, I guess. And I will I think tomorrow I think I will be able to record. So I will try to. I am like now. Basically, what my strategy is that I'm going to um, like rehearsal the script a lot so that I know where to how my hand movement should be and how my eye contact should be and how to give certain words pressure so that it can reach you all nicely. Yeah, there's a lot of cars coming, but yeah, I think I have to work on that. And this fumbling is a concern for me, and I think I'm yeah. And anything else? um थोड़ा सा लाइटिंग का मेरे को लगा कि थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा डार्क हो गया. आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू go how I wanted to go. The light was, I think, a lot sharper yesterday, and I mean, it did not. I think the background was pretty good, I would say, but the coloring was not orangish that much. If you can understand, you can understand. I was trying to go for a lot orange. I guess I was away from the camera and the light was getting distributed, so it's not really the camera's fault. I think I will need a lot more lighting if I want to achieve what I was expecting in the video. But yeah, I think for the first time, I think that was a good one. And I think the next video I will shoot will be on the vertical mode, because why not? Because the vertical, because I think I can capture more in vertical, and I'm more confident in the vertical mode rather than the horizontal one. And mostly because I want to watch it on my when I watched it on my laptop, I was not satisfied because the frame was cut. And yeah, and that was one of the reasons. So yeah, that was all for the short part. And if yeah, and yeah, I think I should really open the editing app now because I'm like not really editing anything. I'm just recording and posting. So yeah, that's a dikkat that I have to work on. And let's talk something in the Hindi too, so that मेरी हिंदी भी थोड़ी सी ठीक रहे. I think मैं सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable हिंदी में ही हूँ, लेकिन because you have to go out of your comfort zone, मैं इंग्लिश में ट्राई करता हूँ डिलीवर करने का मैसेज. And I think the accent part is not completed because उतना उतना टाइम नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ मैं अभी करंटली इस चीज़ पे. एंड मैं उतना ज़्यादा थिंक भी नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, मैं सोच भी नहीं पा रहा हूँ इस चीज़ पे कि मुझे एक्चुअली में क्या इम्प्रूव करना है. ओ भाई, देयर इज अ, if you can see it or not, I don't think you can see it. I mean, there's a aeroplane that went, and the it's dark right now and it went in the evening. So the line, the like aeroplane line that what do you vapor line, which I would say it's called, it's orange in the dark because the light is on, light is gone. So yeah, so thank you everyone for watching this video, and this one was a short one, and I will try to improve it eventually, and let's see how that goes. So thank you everyone for watching. This is day number 42 of recording every single day, and I will meet you tomorrow.